Hello, and thank you so much for purchasing my order tracker. I wanted to show you how to use this. So first of all, you'll come in here and you'll see today's date automatically populates for you. You can see the total number of orders that you have, total number of revenue, total profit, pending orders, items ready to ship, items in the new status, and items in progress. You will also see the number of items per status. You'll see that you've got new, in progress, ready to ship, shipped, and delivered. And then you also have a little to-do list here. So if there's something super important that you need to do, like buying printer paper and such, you can write your items here. Next on the orders tab, you can write out your orders. And so this column B is automatically populating. The order date, you can just double click in here and choose the date. Choose what store that they chose from, order ID, the product, how many that they bought, and the price. So let's say the price was $15, it's going to automatically calculate the quantity times the price. So if they bought two of the same order, your net profit is going to be that. If you offered a discount, say you did $5 off, it will automatically calculate your net for you. Your fees, so say that was $1 and your shipping cost was $8, so your net profit is $16. All of this will add up automatically and populate on your dashboard for you and do your total net profit. Your total revenue will be here as well. So this is your revenue with this fee price. Status, you can put this whichever it is, shipped, delivered, customer name, and then we'll scroll over to the right. You can put your email, the shipper, UPS, however you want to do it, the tracking number, the ship date, and then an arrival date. And any of these dates, you can double click in here and do that, and take notes, reorder. So that's how your order tracker works. If you have any questions, let me know.